Hey guys, I'm Takoshiho. Is there frozen edamame in your freezer? Today I'm going to show you my favorite edamame recipes to you. It's super easy and tasty, so let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients. 1 cup of defrosted edamame, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin and rice vinegar. You can use sugar instead of mirin. If so, you can just use 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, and 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, and 1 clove of garlic, and 1 chili if you'd like, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. So in the pan, I add sesame oil and I slice the garlic. You can take out the center if you don't like, and heat this in low heat. Smells really good. It's getting nice and golden brown. I add chili and edamame. And higher the heat and middle. Mirin, soy sauce, ginger, and vinegar. Stir this about 1 minute, and that's it. Done. Okay, so I will plate this. I will put some black pepper. Okay. Stop. So easy. Hope you like this video. I uploaded some other frozen edamame recipes for you on my channel, so please check it out. See you soon. Bye bye.